Hello, InfoComm crowds. This is Marek Adrianson, CTO of ReveLux D3 LED. I want to show you what we're bringing to this show this year. Behind me is a design that is built on flip chip 1.25 package on board. These are not encapsulated, so truly repairable technology. Because it's not encapsulated, there is no shine. You have no reflections in it. It's true deep black, nano black coating. And this is our eNVy 1.25 product line. This comes in a 1.25 and 1.56 pixel pitch. And it is, most important as I said, repairable. We like technology that's repairable because our customers buy products that they want to be able to have online for 7, 8 years. And we can repair this directly on the display, even if a pixel goes out. So it's a very reliable, low power solution for absolutely beautiful displays that can be any size. And we're very happy to bring this to this trade show this year. This is Marek Adrianson, ReveLux D3 LED. Catch us at www.d3led.com or www.reveluxgroup.com. Thank you so much. Have a great show.